Hello guys and welcome again to Crypto Vault. Before we proceed with our video, I just want to show you something real quick. Your one-stop shop for Bitcoin and crypto accessories. Any crypto accessory you have in mind. And with the best prices on the market, a verified website, and rave reviews from satisfied customers, we are your go-to destination. And of course, enjoy a lightning fast worldwide delivery, secure payments via PayPal or Stripe, and round-the-clock customer service. Elevate your crypto journey with us today. And before you judge us, make sure to visit the website. You can find the link on description.
Constant information shows Ethereum essentially is exchanging at data 3,558 in a fundamentally significant manner. Our Ethereum truly long-haul estimate for 2050 proposes ETH possibly going somewhere in the range of $220.45 and $246,556, which really is genuinely critical. Ethereum ETH generally is determined to, in every practical sense, arrive at a by and large normal cost of $22 toward the finish of 2025, or so they for the most part thought. Examiners project a bullish pattern for Ethereum in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $50 to $783 mark in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum ETH in a real sense is expected to truly arrive at a most extreme cost of $196. 184 constantly 2040, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Starting around 04 walk 2024 Ethereum, especially as exchanging at data 3,558 in term of its OS rate with a value change of 177% in certainly most recent 1 hour amazingly. ETH certainly has a kind of complete market cap of $427 426 351 273 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $24 to 31 771, which is genuinely critical. This really makes Ethereum ETH essentially positioning at 2 in the cryptographic money market, which fundamentally is very critical. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what sort of is the Ethereum cost expectation end of 2024? What will Ethereum generally be certainly worth in 2024, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking? Is Ethereum a wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2024? Will ETH cost most certainly outperform its untouched high? These by and large are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future. Ethereum ETH value expectation 2024 as per the Ethereum estimate cost and specialized examination in 2024. The ETH cost generally is supposed to, in every way that really matters, cross a very normal value level of $4,774, the normal sort of least value worth of Ethereum toward the finish of the all things considered current year ought to sort of be $4,635, showing how these for the most part are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, or so they truly thought. Besides, ETH can by and large arrive at a kind of most extreme value level of $5,382, or so they explicitly thought. ETH value conjecture walk 2024. The Ethereum figure for walk 2024 expects that the ETH may truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $3,765 with an in every practical sense least cost of around $3,347, which is very critical. Discussing the genuinely normal value ETH can generally stretch around $3,660 for spring in a really significant manner. Ethereum value gauge April 2024. In April 2024, the cost of Ethereum sort of is supposed to, for the most part, be at around a very least of $3,667 in a by and large huge manner. Ethereum cost can generally arrive at an exceptionally limit of $3,911 with the in every practical sense normal cost of $3,807 in USD, showing how these certainly are our Ethereum cost expectations for ETH's future, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. Ethereum ETH value estimate May 2024. The Ethereum ETH value for May 2024 may fundamentally arrive at a sort of least worth of $3,744, while the greatest gauge cost, especially is around $464 in an unobtrusive manner. The truly normal cost for ETH by and large is truly anticipated to fundamentally reach $3,883 in May 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum ETH value figure June 2024. The Ethereum ETH cost for June 2024 may basically arrive at an exceptionally least worth of $3,821, while the genuinely greatest gauge cost generally is around $4,258, extremely in opposition to prevalent thinking. The really normal cost for ETH in every practical sense is certainly anticipated to by and large reach $3,961 in June 2024. Ethereum value estimate July 2024. The extremely normal cost of Ethereum ETH could for the most part go to $4 to $119 toward the finish of July 2024 in every practical sense in spite of mainstream thinking. ETH could sort of exchange around a kind of greatest worth of $416 with a base expected cost of $3,980 incredibly. Ethereum ETH value expectation August 2024. With respect to August 2024, Ethereum cost especially is estimate to sort of arrive at a flat-out most minimal cost of $4 to $103 in an unobtrusive manner. The ETH cost could really arrive at a greatest cost of $4,581 with, for the most part, normal expected cost around $4,243 in a fundamentally significant manner. Ethereum value expectation September 2024. Ethereum cost in a real sense is supposed to, in every practical sense, reach between $4,273 to $4,751 in September 2024, while the exceptionally normal cost of ETH for the September explicitly remains around $4,412. Ethereum ETH value forecast October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Ethereum cost truly is gauged to basically arrive at a practically the least cost of $4,361, which truly is very huge. The ETH cost could especially arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $4,927 with the very normal expected cost around $4,501 in a huge manner. ETH value estimate November 2024. In November 2024, the cost of Ethereum generally is determined to be at around and in every practical sense and east worth of $4,416 amazingly. The Ethereum value worth can basically arrive at an especially limit of $5,152 with the very normal exchanging worth of $4,591 in USD, or so they sort of thought. Ethereum ETH value expectation December 2024. With respect to December 2024, Ethereum cost is figured to truly arrive at an especially the most reduced cost of $4,635 in an unpretentious manner. The ETH cost could arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $5,382 with the kind of typical expected cost around $4,774, really in opposition to prevalent thinking. Ethereum by and large passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Ethereum's cost especially has shown a decent increment of 394% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, which for the most part is very huge. From kind of most recent 7 days, the ETH was in good vertical pattern and expanded by 1393% in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for genuinely potential recently, and this could be especially great chance to dive right in and put resources into a major way basically. Ethereum value gauge 2024 facts. What will essentially be Ethereum worth in 2024, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking? The ETH cost most certainly is estimated to arrive at a sort of greatest degree of $5,382 with truly least cost of $4,635 toward the finish of 2024 in a truly significant manner. Does Ethereum sort of have a future, which generally is very critical? As far as value, Ethereum generally has an extraordinary